Ozempic has changed the way many people approach weight loss, but rapid changes in body composition often leave behind challenges that go beyond the scale, from skin laxity to muscle tone and even facial balance. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Colonel Vijay Langer, ex-army cosmetic and plastic surgeon trained in the USA, where I've done a clinical fellowship in body contouring following massive weight loss, the sort which comes with lifestyle modification, bariatric surgery, and even Ozempic and Manjaro. And I have over 35 years of experience. So today we talk about its solution, the 360-degree restoration. It's not just about losing weight, it's about skin and soft tissue, muscle and strength, facial balance, metabolic health, and holistic confidence so that the patients feel confident in their transformation. Of skin and soft tissue. Rapid weight loss often leaves the skin struggling to catch up with the body's new contours. Collagen and elasticity don't always bounce back, which often result in sagging or folds. That's where tightening treatments or surgical lifts come in. They help restore definition, smoothness, and a more youthful silhouette. So the outside matches the progress you've made inside. Muscle and strength. While the scale shows success, muscle tone can diminish if weight loss isn't paired with strength training. Rebuilding muscles isn't all about aesthetics, it's about posture, mobility, and long term health. Targeted workouts, supportive therapies, and sometimes medical interventions can bring back strength and shape, ensuring your body feels as good as it looks. Facial balance. Weight loss doesn't only change the body, it can alter facial proportions too. Hollowing in the cheeks or a loss of jawline may shift how features balance. Subtle refinements, whether through fillers, fat grafting, or contouring procedures, can restore harmony, keeping the face looking refreshed and natural rather than drawn and tired. Metabolic health. Ozempic works on metabolism, but once the weight is lost, maintaining balance is key. Nutrition, hormone support, and lifestyle adjustments ensure the body adapts well after medication. This step is about protecting long term wellness, not just preserving the number on the scale. Holistic confidence. True restoration isn't only about skin, muscles, or facial features, it's about how you feel in your own body. A 360-degree approach addresses both the physical and emotional sides of transformation, helping patients regain confidence, energy, and a sense of wholeness after their weight loss journey. Weight loss is only the first step. The real transformation comes when you restore strength, balance, and confidence across every part of your body. Don't stop at the scale. Explore a 360-degree restoration plan that helps you feel complete again. Here at Langersculpt, we specialize in guiding patients through this next chapter. From advanced skin tightening to facial refinements, metabolic support, and holistic wellness, our team ensures your transformation is safe, natural, and lasting. Because true success isn't just about losing weight, it's about regaining confidence in every dimension of your life. So, if you liked this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more honest conversations about cosmetic surgery. If you have any doubts or questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section and I will personally reply to those. Take care, stay informed. Jai Hind.